It's almost time for a very special day. Yes, it's the longest day of the year and it's the first official day of summer. There are lots of days that might seem really long. All days have the same amount of time in them, 24 hours. When we say it's the longest day of the year, what we really mean is that there is the longest amount of daylight, which means that the sun is up for the longest amount of time and it's dark for the shortest amount of time. This special day is called the summer solstice, and when it happens, it's officially summer. The term solstice is derived from the Latin word solstitium, which means sun standing still. There are two solstices in every calendar year, one in June while the other is in December. The exact time that the solstice occurs is the same across the globe, while the season that you welcome, summer or winter, depends on the side of the equator that you live on. On the June solstice, those in the northern hemisphere celebrate the summer solstice, while those in the southern hemisphere celebrate the winter solstice. In December, these are reversed. Traditionally, people celebrated the return of the light, life, and the potential for a good harvest on the summer solstice. When is the summer solstice? In the northern hemisphere, the summer solstice usually falls between June 20 and June 22, while in the southern hemisphere, the summer solstice most often occurs between December 20 and December 22. The changing date of the summer solstice each year has to do with slight changes in the Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar has 364 days in a calendar year to represent the amount of time it takes to travel around the sun. An extra day needs to be added every fourth year in order to keep time with the seasons. This added day creates a leap year that causes the date of the solstice to shift a bit each year. Planet Earth is tilted at about 23.5 degrees. This means that at different times of the year, either the northern or the southern hemisphere is closer to the sun. As a result, each hemisphere experiences half a year tilted towards the sun and the other half tilted away from it. The summer solstice is always the longest day of the year, no matter which side of the equator that you live upon. If you live in the northern hemisphere, the longest day of the year will be on or around June 21. In the southern hemisphere, the longest day of the year will be on or around December 21. Thank you.